Hello everyone. Today we shall look into a query where we have this table, account number, transaction time, transaction ID and balance. What we require is we need to find out the most recent and latest balance and the transaction ID for each account number. Okay. So let us write a query for the required question. Okay. I'll write select r, which brings all the columns from the table, comma. Now I'll use the window function, rank function, okay, where I'll write over class partition by. Here we have this account number column. I want to partition by that account number, comma, or sorry, here we could order by transaction time in descending order. Okay, since we want the most recent balance, so we are going to order by the transaction time in descending order. Let us run this query and let us understand what does it provide. Here you could see that for the first three transactions we have got the ranking based upon the transaction time in descending order. Okay, and similarly for the next two transactions we have got the ranking. For next two transactions we have got the ranking. So based upon this we need to find the latest value. Okay, so I'll rename the column. Instead of no column name, I'll rename column as RK, or we can say rank 1 or something. We need few columns from this where I'll write, you know, I'll write select account number, transaction underscore time, transaction underscore ID, comma, balance. We need all these four columns. Okay, from this is the table which we want. So I'll enclose it within the parenthesis. Okay, I'll name this column. We can give any random name. I'll write A. A is the this table name. Okay, where rank, which is RK, it is equal to 1. So we want only those values where the rank is equal to 1 because it is the latest or most recent transaction. Okay, this similarly here we have this most recent transactions. By using this query we can get these particular three rows which is required. So I'll select this and run it. Here you could see these are the most three recent transactions for this particular account numbers. Let us understand another method of doing it using subquery. What I'll do is I'll bring all the columns from this transactions table, which is transactions 1. I'll write a where condition where transaction time should be the latest one. So what I'll write is I'll write in operator, or you could say in operator, open the parenthesis. Here in the inner query what we shall write is we need maximum transaction time. I'll write transaction maximum of transaction underscore time as max tran from transactions 1 table. Okay, this is my subquery. Since we have used the maximum, we need to group by account number. Okay, close the parenthesis because based upon the account number we need the maximum transaction time. And let us run this and check that output. If you want we could order by based upon the transaction time in descending order, so that you could understand what is the transaction time for the respective account number in descending order. These are the two methods where we could solve this. Even there may be other methods, but these are two common methods. I hope you're able to understand. This is all for now. Thank you for